ararenze. Ubutatu, ubutatu, ubutatu bwera. Ubutatu, ubutatu, ubutatu bwera. Hariho mwuka w'Imana, mwuka wera, muziranenge. Uwo si umwuka nk'uwo duhumeka, nayo ni Imana bana natwe. Aratwigisha iby'ukuri byose, kubaha Data nibyo Yesu yakoze. Abana natwe, yakuyobora, yagufasha, ararenze. Ubutatu, ubutatu, ubutatu bwera. Ubutatu, ubutatu, ubutatu bwera. Ubutatu, ubutatu, ubutatu bwera. Ubutatu, ubutatu, ubutatu bwera. Ubutatu bwera. Ubutatu bwera. I have heard of land on the faraway street. There's a beautiful home of the soul, built by Jesus on high. There we never shall die. This is the land where we never never grow, never grow. In the land where we'll never grow, never grow, never grow. In the land where we'll never never grow, never grow. In the land where we'll never grow, never grow, never grow. In the land where we'll never grow. When our work is done and life's crown is won, and our troubles and trials are low, for our sorrow will end, and our voices will blend with the loved ones gone on before. Never grow, never grow. In the land where we'll never grow, never grow, never grow. never grow, in the land where we'll never grow, never grow, never grow, in the land where we'll never grow. Narokotse igihano cy'icyaha, narokotse umujinya w'Imana, narokotse umuriro utazima, ubu ndiho ndishimye, ndishimye. Igihano cyanjye cyose cyarishyuwe, amaraso ya Yesu yeza yarishyuye. Sayintama butama n'ayantama w'Imana, sayintama butama n'ayantama w'Imana. Yohana mubonye azamusanga, yarabonekewe atera hejuru. Uriya ntama w'Imana ukuraho ku cyaha cya muntu cyose, akuraho. Mwiyegurire nawe uraba amahoro. Uriya ntama w'Imana ukuraho ku cyaha cya muntu cyose, akuraho. Mwiyegurire nawe uraba amahoro. Umusonga wundi ntubuza usinzira, Yesu igitsemani yaragaragaye. Gahinda ka Yesu kari kenshi cyane, bitotsi mu bantu byari byinshi cyane. Yewe Yesu uri mwiza, uranezeza we. Gahinda ka Yesu kari kenshi cyane, bitotsi mu bantu byari byinshi cyane. Yewe Yesu uri mwiza, uranezeza we. Yewe Yesu uri mwiza, uranezeza we. I saw you, I loved you, you know. My heart whispered me, that is the one. What a joy, what a joy. We approach the families, they say go ahead, wonderful. On today, into the church for marriage. Enjoy love, my friend. Enjoy love, my dear parents. Enjoy love, my love. That's your day, rejoicing. Enjoy love, my friends. Enjoy love, my dear parents. Enjoy love, my love. That's your day, rejoicing. Our love is good, it's so good, incomparable. It makes people smiling, it makes people generous, it makes people loving and laughing. How do you feel now? All people are here because of you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for that special gift. Love. Yes, love. Enjoy love, my friends. Enjoy love, my dear parents. Enjoy love, my love. That's your day, rejoicing. Enjoy love, my friends. Enjoy love, my dear parents. Enjoy love, my love. That's your day, rejoicing. I don't know how things will be in paradise when we will live agape love. No sin, no sin. My mind is so short of that life. I'm sincere. But I know it will be so stunning. Enjoy love, my friends. Enjoy love, my dear parents. Enjoy love, my love. That's your day, rejoicing. Enjoy love, my friends. Enjoy love, my dear parents. Enjoy love, my lover. That's your day. Rejoice in it. Enjoy love, my friends. Enjoy love, my dear parents. Enjoy love, my lover. That's your day. Rejoice in it. That's your day. Rejoice in it. Yewe ndishimye cyane uyu munsi ndabona udasanzwe basangwa mufashe cyane twakire aba bashyitsi dore nta kindi cyabazinduye atari urukundo n'ubupfura basohoja masezerano surwenya umugeni yaje dore nta kindi cyabazinduye atari urukundo n'ubupfura basohoja masezerano surwenya umugeni yaje